It's a little bit windy, but we're gonna go up there as far as I feel comfortable, and then we're gonna dive it back down. Maybe go a little bit down here. Now we're going to try to go right to the top.
Turn on the lights.
And we're heading back down. What a beautiful flight. What a beautiful day.